Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can create a post on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. And let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so here I have my Instagram open. Now if you click on this plus icon in the bottom, here we have two options. If the post is selected currently, then you have two options. Either you can select a video or photo from your gallery from here, or the second thing you have, move at the very top. Here you will find a camera icon, so just tap on that, and from here you can also take a picture and then you can post it on your Instagram. After that, if you switch, we have a story. You can create a story from here, and for the story we also have the same option. You can either select from your gallery, or you can do it with your camera. After that, we have reel, and similarly you can select it from your gallery, or you can record a reel from here. And in the last, we have live option, and for the live you just have one option. You can go live with your camera. Alright guys, so if you don't find something from here, then if you go to your profile, here we also have a plus icon in the top right. Just tap on that, and from here you can also create a reel. You can also create a story, a post, or you can make a story highlight. You can go live, or you can read the guide. For right now, I'm going to create a post. Just click on post icon, and I'm going to select a random picture from here. After that, after selecting the picture, click on this next arrow. You can also use a filter if you want, but for right now I'm going to go with the original one. And after that, hit next. If you want, you can add a music to your picture. You can also tag people. You can add a location. You can write a caption. And after that, just simply hit the check mark and your picture will be posted. This is how you can create a post on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.